Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Y'all, there's bugs out here. It wasn't like this the last time I made the video. I don't know what happened between then, there, and now. I gotta stop looking around. My stomach getting cringed up. It's like, it's a moth right there. I ain't afraid of no moth. But like, what I'm looking around at right now is the spider. Spider on deck. And I'm worried about looking around because when I was waving au revoir to my husband as he went to work, I looked up, and it's one of them daddy long leg spiders. You know, some days I can take it and some days I can't. Apparently this is one of the days I can't take it because I saw a spider yesterday, you know. You know, I have little house spiders, whatever. You keep the door open too long, 2 hours too long, and something is bound to come in, fly in. I'd rather be a fly, I guess. Nonetheless, I saw a spider, so I waited for my husband to please come out of the bathroom so he can squish it. There are days when I can do it and days when I can't. Okay, I try to be tough. Thank God I have more tougher days when it comes to taking care of bugs, you know, sending them on to the, hopefully it's no bugs in heaven like that, but to the big bug planet in the sky. Burger King food and not spiders. So this is definitely going to be about spiders and bugs. I'm going to have to spray it down with some Fabioso and stuff I mix in there. Spray it down out here. Again, get the broom, the outside broom, and sweep down the cobwebs. But I don't know what happened. It's like night and day. I was out here doing the video about the rider strike. It wasn't all this mess going on out here. Now spiders heard the sound of my beautiful voice and knew I was gonna come back out here and want to hear me. So I gotta take it like that. Pat myself on the back and power through this. So like I said, this video was supposed to be about Burger King. I'm holding my coupons in my hand. I'm just gonna go on and take advantage of the situation and just have to make 2 videos today. My name is Elay, pronounced like LA, like the city. I'm not from there, but I'm breezy. And I'm not all here right now because these spiders done took me somewhere else. We ain't supposed to be scared in Jesus' name. It ain't working. Sirens going off. Sorry, Lord, don't kill me. I'm trying. Well, if y'all don't see me no time soon, I guess I went to hell. Y'all hear all this noise? And that weird bug? Y'all hear that bug? And now the dog. Those bugs sound like auditorium gym lights.